Hello guys, Mark Dylan here and welcome back to another vlog. And babalik tayo guys sa Baguio. So samahan niyo pa rin ako. And we just made a quick stop over here sa TP Lex. And magbe-breakfast lang ako. I'm with my family this time. And ayun, may dala kaming private car. So mas convenient ngayon kaysa last time kasi nag-bus lang tayo during my last visit. And guys, we are on our second stop after our breakfast sa Chowking kanina. We are here at Our Lady of Manaoag Church. And it's a family tradition na mag-stop over kami here tuwing before umakyat sa Baguio. So, ayun. If you are new to my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga gala at travels natin. So guys, we made it here in Baguio and mag-lunch lang kami quickly ng family kasi 2 PM pa yung check-in sa hotel and it's only noon time. Guys, we are here at House of Chops and then katabi niya lang yung two cafes na mukhang okay din. Yung El Union and then yung Levain na na-try ko na. You can see it in my previous Baguio vlog and na-enjoy ko din yung dessert and coffee nun. So, ayun guys. And itong restaurant, mukhang promising siya. In order namin is yung family set na good for 4 to 5 persons. And ang laki ng serving ng pasta and yung parang chicken cordon bleu ba yun. And update ko pa kayo kung ano pa yung ibang food na darating. Pero for now, tara kumain muna tayo. Let's eat, guys. Guys, we made it here to our hotel. We will be staying here at 1V Hotel Apartel. Ang daming terms. So, ayun. And malapit lang siya sa Burnham Park. And ayun, mag-room tour muna tayo. So, ayun guys. First of all, spacious yung room. And then, meron silang aircon. And we booked a triple room. It's good for 3 persons. Merong isang queen bed and then single bed dyan. And ayan, merong water kettle, may cups, and then may instant coffee. And then may drawer dito. May chair, you can use this as your work desk or workstation. And then merong mini fridge. Ayan. I think may laman yung mini bar nila. Ayun. C2 lang, and then isang Coke. What else? Ayun lang. And itong choco flakes and peanuts. Itong water pitcher nila guys, meron the water dispenser in the floors. So ayun, let's see later. Meron ding TV na moderately sized. And then merong lamp dito. Meron silang telephone. Ayan. May Holy Bible. Ayan. Meron silang closet guys. Let's see. Merong hangers. Ayan. May safety deposit box. And ayan. For the bathroom guys, medyo spacious naman siya. Ayan, merong I think heated shower naman yan. And then meron tayong bidet. Ayan, 3 towels because this room is for 3 persons. And then ayan, may basic toiletries lang. Toothbrush, shampoo, and then soap. And then merong hair dryer dito. Ayan, perfect. So ayun, we booked this for around 3,000 plus from Klook. You can use my promo code. I will put it down below. Para if mag-book kayo ng activity or hotels, then through Klook, you can get discounts. And ayun, napansin ko lang parang medyo hindi personal yung service ng front desk, or baka busy lang sila, or baka pagod na sila. So parang nakipag-usap ka lang sa security personnel, ganun. Parang walang touch of hospitality. Ayun lang naman yung complaint ko guys so far. Pero ayun, mukhang okay naman yung room, malinis naman siya. Yung lobby nila, pakita ko sa inyo later. Hindi ako nakapag-take ng clips. Pero ayun, meron din katabing cafe, or we will have our breakfast tomorrow doon. So ayun, nakikita nyo rin yun sa vlog. So ayun guys, maliligo muna ako, magsha-shower ako dahil ang tagal ng biyahe. Gusto ko mag-freshen up and then magpa-power nap. And then gagala ulit tayo later. So ayun, I'll see you guys later. Guys, napasarap yung tulog ko, OMG. So nagising ako past 6 PM na, and now it's past 7 PM. Nakapag-ayos na tayo and nakapag super power nap na tayo. So tara, lumaban at umawara na tayo sa baba. Guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo how the hotel looks at night. So ayan siya guys, medyo lang, hindi masyadong ideal yung parking. Kasi, ayan, tignan nyo. Parang magkaka-stuck lang yung car. No, not literally, pero ayun, you know what I'm saying. Parang kapag may aalis and then may nakaharang, it's very inconvenient. And ayun, merong nearby restaurant or cafe. And guys, from V Hotel, ayan, katabi niya lang halos yung Travelite Express Hotel. Or Travelite Hotel lang pala. And dito nagstay sila, mom and dad. So, later try natin kung makakasilip tayo sa room. Wala na kasi kaming mabook na same room sa same hotel na magkalapit. So, ito na yung pinaka-ideal na nahanap namin. So, ganun yung naging setup namin dahil parang super peak ngayon. So, ayun guys. Guys, parang ang ganda ng location itong napag-stayan namin. Siya, here in Legarda Street. Ang daming restaurants and iba pang katabing hotels. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, itong Travelite guys, meron siyang parang in-house na Jerry's. And ito, katapat niya yung Baguio Palace Hotel. And merong Angel's Pizza. Gusto ko matry yung Highland Blue na cafe. So, let's see. Sana matry natin. And meron pang Asian restaurant over there. Guys, medyo nakaka-stress ang daming tao sa SM as always. So guys, ayun, nagdaan tayo sa Session Road. And ang daming tao as usual. And ayun, lalakad-lakad lang kami ng sister ko. Papababa na ang kinain. Guys, ang ganda sa Burnham Park. Warm light. And a cold night. Ayun guys, magko-coffee dapat ako. Magti-take out ng coffee from phone. Kaso wala na raw silang decaf. And then, ayun, sinabihan ako na parang 12:15 AM pa pwede mag-order. And it's only 12 AM nung nandun ako. So, maghanap na lang tayo ng ibang cafe where I can grab some takeaway coffee. Parang open pa tong Highland Blue guys. So, ayun, let's check it out. So guys, wala ring decaf dun sa ano ba yung Hill something. Diyan tayo nagstay last time guys sa Metro Pines Inn. And maganda rin yung rooms and maganda yung location. So guys, I am back at the original branch ng Foam Coffee and tomorrow bigyan natin ng chance yung bagong branch, makapagod lang yung staff and all. So wag natin sila masyadong i-judge. So ayun, nakapag-take away naman ako ng decaf and feeling ko mahahappy na ako after nito. And guys, kahit past 12 AM na, sobrang busy pa rin ng Foam Coffee dito. Kasi masarap talaga yung coffee nila. And yung pastries nila, yung donuts. Ayun. So guys, ayun, successful lang pag-take out natin ng coffee. And nag-take out na rin ako ng pastry. So I'm here at Good Taste Restaurant. Good morning guys, tara mag-breakfast muna tayo at doon ako chichika sa inyo. Guys, we will be checking out today. And good morning nga pala ulit. And nandito ulit ako sa Foam Coffee, yung bagong branch nila. It opens at 7 AM and ayun, nag-breakfast na tayo dahil nandito na yung food. And gusto ko pumunta dun sa part na yung parang may tatami, parang Japanese vibes area nila na meron ding parang fake cherry blossoms. So ayun, but it opens at 8 AM pa daw. Hello guys, so we are ready to check out na from V Hotel and I can say the best part about this hotel is yung location niya. And we had a good stay naman, guys. You can book this hotel through Klook and don't forget to use my promo code so you can get discounts. So, ayun guys, I will see you later and check natin kung may mapupuntahan pa kami na one last stop or cafe before tayo tuluyang bumalik sa Manila.
So guys, we made a quick stop over here sa Index para mag-toilet and bumili ng coffee. So ayun, may sale din dito sa Nike outlet and chinek out ko siya. And as you saw in the vlog, and ayun, maraming mga murang items pero hindi kami nagpabudol. And ayun guys, I would like to thank you for joining me in this quick weekend in Baguio City, and I will see you in the next vlog.